Hello all, welcome to DT Cases. In this current video series, we are going to discuss about GitHub Copilot. Before diving into the topic, let me introduce myself. My name is Hari. I'm having 14 years of experience in IT industry. I'm a certified technology specialist and solution architect. So in this video series, we are going to discuss about what is GitHub Copilot and how it will works and how it will help to the programmer when they are writing the code. Also, we'll discuss that how we can add this particular GitHub Copilot extension to the Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio, and how this GitHub Copilot will help when you are developing a different applications like console applications or web API or Blazor or different applications, how it will help. We'll walk through the example and we'll discuss on that. In this session, I will cover that what is GitHub and how you can register that GitHub Copilot and how you can add the GitHub Copilot to the Visual Studio and how you can develop the programs and how it will help when you are writing the code. Now, let's talk about what is GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is a AI pair programmer that offers auto-complete style suggestions or prompts when you are writing the code. You can receive the suggestion from GitHub Copilot either by when you started writing the code or by writing the natural language command describing what you want to implement. Might be this statement little confused and you are not understanding what it is meant. Let me dive into the Visual Studio and let me create a new project and I will choose a console application and I will just give that GitHub Copilot demo 1 and just click on next button and choose the framework template. So I'm choosing .NET 6.0 and create the applications. So here I already added the GitHub Copilot and I want to demo you how it will help to the developer when you are developing the code. So I already added this extension. So how to add this extension, I will share you in a few seconds. So first I will demo you what is GitHub Copilot and what we discuss now. Autocomplete style suggestions or prompts. What is meaning of this? Autocomplete styles and prompts. So let me go to the Visual Studio and now I want to implement a program which sends an email from the console applications. So I want to send an email from the using console applications. So here I am writing a command, write a program, to send email from console application. That's it. So when I click enter, see already the GitHub Copilot started prompting me or giving a suggestions how I can write the program. So it's required the libraries like using system and it required system.net and it required system.net email and so already the program, the complete program, whatever the program it is required, it is been adding here. So you can able to see the namespace GitHub Copilot demo and it has created a class and it has created a one more method, static method send email. So from main class we are passing all these parameter values and calling a static method and passing a parameters called from email password to subject and body. So this particular AI model, the GitHub is a AI model which helps to the developer to provide the suggestions, or it will analyze that what developer want to write and it will prompt to them how to write the code. It's very easy to the developer to write the code or finish their task quickly, since it is getting the prompt code and what the developers is required. So let's talk about that more. So what is GitHub Pilot and how it will works is GitHub Copilot analyze the context in the file you are editing as well as related files and offers the suggestions within the your text editor. So what it was mentioned here is this particular GitHub Copilot AI model will helps to analyze the context what you want to write. So how it is analyzing the context here is you can able to see the comment what I have written here is write a program. So I want to write a program to send email from the console application. So it has analyzed what I want to write and give me sample code how it will send an email using the console application. So GitHub Copilot is powered by generative AI model developed by GitHub, OpenAI and Microsoft. This particular GitHub Copilot is available as an extension to the editors, Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio and other editors. So this is about the GitHub Copilot. I'll repeat again. What GitHub Copilot will do is GitHub Copilot is a AI pair programmer that offers autocomplete style suggestions or prompts when you are writing the code. So it is very helpful to the developer and they no need to spend a time to write the code since it is already prompting to them what they want to write. So how it will works? So GitHub Copilot analyze the context of the file. So what you are writing, it will analyze, and the related files also it will analyze and offers the suggestions from the text editor. Perfect.